What's up you guys? Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's such a random video because I had like a couple of things that I've been like obsessed with, and these include like hair products and like my snacks that I've been binging on lately and like some skincare products and everything. So I thought I'll just make a video including all of the things that I'm currently obsessed with. These are like not specific to like one thing. It's everything. So basically today's video is about everything that I'm obsessed with, and these are some of the products that wow, sometimes my brain just goes like yeah. So I guess I do have like a lot of products, and I'm so excited about the snack stuff because yay, who doesn't love snacks? So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first things first, I think I'm gonna start with skincare because yeah, skincare. Okay, like let's just start with skincare. The face wash that I'm currently using, which is Bioderma CBM Purifying Cleansing Foaming Gel. My dermat actually recommended this to me, and it is so gentle. I think this is probably the most gentle face wash that I have ever used. Like this is even milder than you know, the Avent Linens one. And in fact, when my skin was breaking out, I was using a foaming cleanser, like the foam ones, you know, like the ones where you pump and you get the foam out. That actually irritated my skin a lot more. It made my skin really dry. And then I visited my dermat like about I think 15 days back, and that is when she recommended this to me, and I was like, wow, this is so nice, because my skin instantly felt, it was like, thank you Simi, thank you so much for like changing your face wash. Moving on to the next product again. So when my skin was breaking out, I kind of like, so this has been happening since about a month and a half now, like almost a month. Initially I was using like moisturizers and whatnot, and like sticking to my skincare routine because I thought, you know what, like my skin can get back to like normal or whatever, because you know my skin always bounces back. I acted like a rebel and my skin was an even bigger rebel than me. So after a point I gave up. I was like, okay fine, I will not do skincare. So that is when I was just using the hyaluronic acid serum, because moisturizers were not sitting well on my face after a point, and I wanted something that could also hydrate my skin, like hydrated enough but not, you know, moisturize it, because moisturizers obviously are like slightly heavier even if they are like, you know, lightweight and all that. But my skin did not want moisturizer at all. It kind of like, I could feel that my skin was just like repelling moisturizer. So at that point I stuck to just the hyaluronic acid day and night. You know what, you should just like listen to your skin. That is what I did. I mean, initially I wasn't listening to my skin and it broke out even more, and then I was like, okay fine, I get it, you do not want more skincare, you do not want skin food, I'm not feeding you, okay fine. So if you're looking for one product that you just want to add on to your skincare routine, this is just a humectant. This is just something that holds water in your skin, just like plumps your skin, like moisturizes it for a longer period. And most of the moisturizers already have hyaluronic acid in them, okay? This is just additional boost of hydration that you're giving to your skin, and it is so soothing and calming. Like, you know, if you're going through something like this, always. And then I have just very recently started using this, but I'm obsessed. This is the new Moisture Surge Clinique 100 hours. This is like the new latest improved Clinique Moisture Surge. Earlier the Moisture Surge was only for 72 hours, if you remember. Now this one is even more potent. This is something that will hydrate your skin for up to 100 hours. So this one is thicker than the previous Moisture Surge, but it's the same, like, you know, it hydrates your skin and it's a little balmy. I'm gonna show you the texture. You look at it like that, you will not really see a lot of difference, but when you touch it, it is slightly balmier. I don't even know if balmier is a word, but yeah, it's balmy, it's thick, okay? Like it just feels thick, you know. So all of these products in combination are actually quite soothing, just saying. So this is like my current routine right now. I don't have an extensive routine because, you know, if I keep you know, switching my products or something, I always keep posting it on my Instagram. But right now, because I don't really have a routine, I'm not even posting it. These are just the few products that I'm using currently, and also it depends if my skin really wants a moisturizer or not. But you know, it has kind of become better than what it was before. So right now I can use a moisturizer, so this is the one that I'm using. It is a little expensive, and I will try and look for a dupe for this one for you guys, obviously. Anyway, so yeah, these were some skincare products that I am currently obsessed with. Moving on to hair care products, I have only two products. So the number one is BBlunt Dry Shampoo. This works really well on my hair. It's for instant freshness and all of that. and also it gives my roots a lot of volume. Like if you have like flat fine hair like I do, you can always use like a little bit of dry shampoo, and the way that I do it is that I spray it all over and then I like let it sit. I don't run my fingers immediately, like I let it sit in my skin for like my scalp for about like, you know, a good 30-40 seconds or like a minute also. And that is when, like, once it's absorbed all of the oil and all of the whatever, like, you know, greasiness, that is when I kind of like, you know, rub it into my scalp. Another one also. Basically, in fact, I have kind of finished like 3 dry shampoos over the past 1 month. I've just been very lazy washing my hair, also because I go to the gym now, so you know, like every time I come back my hair turns up so greasy and I cannot really wash my hair every day. So the only savior being dry shampoo, and I've finished 3 bottles of it because my hair actually needs a lot of dry shampoo because my hair is fine. Shooting on a no hair wash day, it is a nightmare, so I have to use a dry shampoo. You know, my shoot days are actually aligned with my hair wash days, not even gonna lie. So yeah, so the first one that I finished is the BBlunt one, and then the other one is the Rush Hour. I'm not sure if you get it here. Do you get it here or did I get it from London? I'm not sure, but if you do, this is also very nice. And then this one I remember I got it from London. This is from Boots. It's the Blossom Dry Shampoo. I finished this as well. I finished 3 dry shampoos. I cannot believe it. But yeah, this is, you know, once you start going to the gym, once you start exercising, this is one of the things that you have to like sort of deal with. But I am not comparing because, you know, your body feels amazing. I'm already like sensing a lot of changes in my body, like, you know, my muscles are kind of toning up and all of that. My booty is kind of growing, you know. So I mean, I think I can handle a little bit of dry shampoo on my hair for that, so it's fine. Anyway, moving on to the next product that I have is the Aveda Botanical Repair conditioner. Now this one is the vegan conditioner. So they sent me this conditioner long back and I've been using this. This is more like a mask, but I use this as a conditioner. This is the mask. I finished it. I really like it, and it's a vegan mask, and you know, it's all like natural and everything. Currently, I am trying out the Biolarge Matrix hair range, so I'm gonna give you all my review on that pretty soon. Okay, moving on to the next product. Again, I have another gadget from Braun. I feel like Braun always comes up with the most life-saving, life-changing, and incredible women grooming products, because this one I just tried out and I am mind blown. They actually approached me for this campaign and I was like, yes, I haven't tried out an epilator before. So you know, she asked me if you've tried out an epilator before, and I was like, no, I haven't tried out an epilator ever before, but I would love to give it a try because I've heard, you know, good things about epilators. So you know, if I like it, then we can go ahead with the campaign. She sent it to me, I tried it out and I was like, what? This is what I haven't tried in my life. Are you serious right now? Because I thought epilators were supposed to hurt. I thought epilators were supposed to like really just like, you know, just pull the soul out of your skin or something. But it did not do any of that. Like, I didn't even feel a lot of pain. Of course, there was like a little bit of, you know, I mean, I wouldn't say it was like just 0% pain or like it was completely painless. The areas where you have thick growth, that is where it will hurt a little, but not as much as you would expect it to. Because of the laser and everything, I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna ask me like, okay, but why do you need it? You already have your body lasered and everything, so you don't really need this. But there are few areas on my body where I still get hair, you know, in patches, and this part being one of that, you know, that hairy patch. Yeah. Oh wait, I do have a patch here. Should I just come up here and like show you all how beautifully it kind of works? Okay, 1 second. Okay, so the patch is not you know, too big, but all you have to do is just work it upwards, and that is it. It doesn't hurt. Bro, I'm like, 1 second. You see that? It's gone. it is gone. This is like a lifesaver for me also, because now that I don't really, get the time to go for maintenance sessions. Not like forget time. Abhi to because of Corona, I can't even go for maintenance sessions. So this is a lifesaver, and also like the smoothness that you get after this is equal to like a laser session, or even in fact like the next day of your waxing, how your hands feel like super smooth. This is exactly like your skin feels silky smooth, and I'm not even exaggerating. Hashtag non-sponsored. I'm just like so excited about this product. I really want you guys to try it out. I think I'm gonna move on to this one random product that I got off Amazon quite a long time back. Actually, this is a white nail paint. It's a white matte nail paint that I use on my feet every month or like every 10 days or something, because I think white nail paints are quite in. I'm gonna put a link in the description box for you guys to check this one out. This is only for 90 rupees. Dries really quick. There is no brand to this product, and I was just like, bro, this is so amazing. You just put it on and it like literally dries in like 30 seconds. Right now I cannot wear any other nail paint on my feet ever since I started putting on white nail paint. So yeah, it's a vibe. And currently, if you want to follow one trend, just get a nail paint, white nail paint. You'll automatically feel really bougie, once you put on white nail paint on your feet. Trust me. Okay, another product that I'm currently obsessed with is this lip gloss by Lime Crime. It's called Wet Cherry Gloss. It's the one that I'm wearing right now. It is so glossy. It's got this mirror shine, and I think I'm all about glossy lipsticks these days. It makes my lips bigger and like somehow juicier, you know what I mean? I love this one. It's called Extra Poppin', and it's a plain clear lip gloss. Okay, just beautiful, has a very nice thick wand, and yeah, I mean, it's just a lip gloss. Otherwise, I mean, now I'm going to talk about some snacks that I have been binging, because I go to the gym and I kind of like, keep hunting for healthy snacks and like snacks that are low in calories and something which is low in sugar and stuff like that, because obviously when you work out so much, you have to take care of your diet as well. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is this collagen that a lot of you guys also asked me about in one of the videos where I was talking about this, by Inja Beauty, and it comes in orange flavor. I love this. At one point I actually started drinking this because I did not enjoy the flavor of plain water, so I would be like, okay, chalo thoda sa collagen dal dete, because it tastes like orange juice. So the first time that you have it, you will not like it, okay, because collagen is not vegan, okay. It's made from marine stuff. I don't know what it is made out of, but yeah, it's not vegetarian for sure. It contains fish, so yeah, you might not like the taste of it the first time that you have it, but it kind of grows on you. You start liking it after a point, and I started having it with my breakfast so that I would not skip it. So it was a part of my routine, and I finished it. So Inja guys, if you're watching this, I would not really mind another dabba of this, because it's so good. Anyway, moving on to the next snack. It is the Epigamia Greek yogurt. This is what I eat with my mangoes. So this is zero added sugar. This is natural, and it's high protein. So this is a very healthy snack, by the way. It's zero added sugar, so I can have it and I do not feel guilty about it. And I usually add like 1 or 2 spoons of this with like half a mango, and that's like my dessert. And it is so yummy. I cannot even, like, that's my favorite dessert right now. Half a mango, 2 spoons of this. Perfect. Okay, and this is a very random find by my brother, by the way. This is the Brooklyn Creamery ice cream. So it has only 75 calories per serving, which is like 1 big scoop, and also no added sugar. So this is an ice cream without added sugar, so it's all sweetened with whatever the fruit, the flavor it is. So yeah, if you're looking for, like, if you have a sweet tooth and if you still want to eat healthy, then you can try this one out. So I guess with that, this is it, dude. I mean, I went through all of this so fast, but yeah, this is it. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. These were all of the products that I have been loving and I have been using, and of course these are all tried and tested. They're all really good products, be it all the snacks or whatever. You know, I'm just trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot to be really conscious and mindful of what you're eating, what you're, you know, putting inside your body, what you're putting on your body, and like, you know, etc, etc. So I'm just trying my bit to, like, you know, get better every day in terms of, like, you know, my lifestyle, and I thought I should just share it with you all. And that is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. And that is it for now. I'll see you all soon. Bye.